Hey you guys, welcome back to Undefined Therapy, and today I'm really excited about this video, really excited about this video. This video was supposed to be out back way in October, and now I'm just trying to beat that 2019. Oh my gosh, 2019 is so weird to say that, but I had the pleasure of being accepted as a speaker at the Learn, Shift, Grow conference. It was a wellness event for working moms, and my topic was healthy woman versus strong woman. If you're already a subscriber and you're like one of the OGs, then you know that I did a video on that on my channel, but then I just took it and I made it into a workshop, and I wanted to share with you guys some of that footage. I had such an amazing time. I met so many people, and I thought it was just something wonderful to give back, where it was for Black women, Black working moms, and just a way for them to get the information for themselves, to take care of themselves in a healthy way. And so I was definitely honored to be a part of the speakers as well. There's not a lot I can say except for I was truly just inspired. I learned things myself, especially about food, nutrition, aromatherapy. I learned so many different things, and it was just amazing to be around so many people who care about healthiness, who care about mental health. It was just a very eye-opening and also just a reassuring and validating thing that I'm not crazy out here trying to live this healthy life and share it with others. So here is some of the footage from me speaking at the workshop.
So I know it's the end of the day, so stay with me with the energy. Come on, you ain't got it. I got it.
I started to think about for myself, am I strong or am I healthy? Which one? Some of the presenters have talked about today. Someone even mentioned strong. Or what are we doing? Am I healthy? This is a holistic wellness conference today. So I want to challenge you guys to think about, are you healthy or are you strong? At one point in my life, it was absolutely necessary, so I'm not going to take that from nobody. At some points in time, it was absolutely necessary for me to be strong. It was. 56.9% of Black women are obese or overweight. Black women are 4, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 times more likely to die from pregnancy-related issues. Approximately 5 Black women die from breast cancer. Yet, we have the lowest amount of rates for it happening to us. 80% of Black women are the breadwinners in the family. 80%. What the other 20% doing? Not reporting, probably. This was the first time it was questioned. She said, "Why are you so accessible to everybody?" Because I'm in therapy, my phone going on. I'm like, nah, somebody need me, I gotta answer it. She said, "Relax, Rashonda. This is your safe period." First of all, didn't know that word. Safe place, didn't know it, had to create it, get you one. So, don't know, get you one. Had my first anxiety attack after the elevator. I didn't realize, because I didn't stop. I didn't think about myself. I didn't think about what traumatic experience that was and what it did to me. Found out on JetBlue though, they said, "Ma'am, you're having an anxiety attack." I said, "Okay, thank you." As soon as they walked away, I had to Google, what is the anxiety attack? I had to Google that. Number 1, acknowledge your weaknesses. That's not to say, oh, you want me to tell people the bad things about me? No, when I say people, there are safe people and unsafe people. You got to know the difference. Number 2, embrace self-care. People have talked about self-care. There's free self-care. Jump rope, scuba dive, take a walk. Okay, did you know that there are people, I love Pinterest, there are people, and I also did a YouTube video on it already. There are people who have made 100 free self-care things that you can do. Money is not an excuse. That's what the status quo tells you. Number 3, preventative care. Martine talked about that. Don't be running from your problems. They gonna catch up to you. They gonna catch up. It's just like a bill collector. They gonna find you out. Okay? They gonna find you out. It's important to know that. For myself, checking my breast, and when I was 21, I had to have a lump removed. By the grace of God, it was benign. But it's important to do that preventative care. Preventative care doesn't only mean medical. It means checking your surroundings. Someone also talked about negative people, negative vibes. Number 4, exercise. I have exercised doing double dutch.
I've exercised running up and down the steps. I have did HIIT workouts for 10 minutes watching a YouTube video. If it is something that doesn't involve me running, I have did it, I promise you, okay? I promise you. It only takes 20 minutes. Just start there. Start there. If you love talking on the phone, put that Bluetooth in, get the step. Number 6, think about your nutrition. I talked about some foods that help with your anxiety, but there are also just other options. Love the visualization of the plate exercise. Keep that in your mind. Make that a mental note when you go out to eat. When Big Mama, I like that word, I don't got no Big Mama, but I like it. Big Mama served that plate, she just going. You know, she might be doing a little dance. You be like, hold up, Big Mama, will come back for a second, but you'll never come back, okay? Just think about those things. Think about what you put in your body. You're asking yourself to run from 6 o'clock until 12 o'clock at night, but you're putting crap in your body. Lastly, apply your spirituality. Now, I said spirituality because I want to be respectful. For me, I'm a God-fearing woman, so I'm going to get on those knees and I'm going to pray whether I want to or because God humbled me. There are many reasons why you should practice spirituality. Spirituality could be you practicing mindfulness, taking 10 minutes a day to just take a deep breath, to pause on life. So it's important to also practice affirmations. Why? Because no one has to know that you're doing it. Right as I was sitting down, I'm like, okay, you know, I got the energy, but I'm still nervous. What did I tell myself? I closed my eyes and I said, Rashonda, you are enough and you have something to give. So I'm going to give it.
So now that I just showed you guys some footage from the conference, my challenge to you in 2019 is to spend money on you. Something that will invest in you mentally, emotionally, physically. Maybe that's going to the gym. Maybe that's buying a journal. Maybe that's going to therapy. Maybe that's going to an event. The sky's the limit for this challenge. But for 2019, I definitely want you to invest in yourself. You are a treasure. You are gold. You are amazing. But let's do things to keep us pushing so that we don't become stagnant and don't fall into unhealthy practices. Let's continue to grow. And that's my challenge to you guys in 2019. And yeah, I was like really excited. I'm glad I finally got to share it with you guys because I've been like, I need to get this out. I need to let them know. I need to let them know it's an amazing time. And now I finally have, and I'm really excited. So as always, I hope this information was fruitful. I hope you accept my challenge. If you do, leave the comments down below. Just say challenge accepted and let me know how you're going to do that. As always, I will see you next time in the next video.